Hi guys, in this video we will see how to change notification style of your Samsung Galaxy F70e 5G phone, Android phone or any Samsung Galaxy mode. You can easily change your notification style, notification color, notification brand. Tap on settings of your Samsung Galaxy Android and here you will find the option notification settings. Tap on notifications and here you will find the option notification pop-up style. So choose notification pop-up style, tap on it and here you will find two options, brief and choose brief, and you can see effect, color and advanced feature also available here. Changing the color of your notifications bar can personalize your Android device and make it stand out. You will put a effect, a lot of effect also available here for your pop-up notifications settings. Modifying the appearance of your notification bar allows you to create a unique and personalized look for your device. Updating the color scheme of your notification bar periodically or based on different themes can enhance your device overall performance. These are various methods including built-in settings, third-party apps and custom ROMs to customize the color of your notification bar. Exploring different customization options can help you find the perfect notifications bar color that matches your style and preferences. So you can easily change color of your notification style. Various type of colors available here. Choose as per your choice. Adjusting notification bar color, changing notification bar background, personalizing notifications bar design, and a lot of feature you can use in Samsung Galaxy F70e 5G Android phone newly released by Samsung.